We are excited to open a donut shop, but now we need a name for it. Let's try asking DayViewer AI Assistant for some donut shop name ideas. DayViewer will help to keep your interactions organized and searchable. Let's start by creating a new chat. Next, enter your query and wait for the response. And just like that, we have a list of 5 ideas as requested. When you close the chat, it will be saved in the list. A title will automatically be generated by the assistant. Edit your title as required. In addition, a summary of your conversation will also be generated within the list, which you can toggle to view. Let's get back into the conversation and ask the assistant for more ideas. Great, we have 5 more ideas. Let's take a look at what we have and choose the list we like the look of. Highlight that entire list, then click on the selection. A toolbar will show. From this toolbar, click on the pin icon to make a note. The selected text will already have been copied, so simply paste it into the note body, then save the note. You will get confirmation that the note has been created and be transported back to the AI chat section. Let's head back to the notes to confirm it is there. Now click on this note, and something you can do here is highlight the list as it is. DayViewer will detect that a list is selected and offer you some options to turn that selection into an embedded checklist or list within that note. This is super handy for creating subtasks or other itemized lists that you would like to see more clearly in the planner. From creating ideas and drafting content to writing or debugging code, DayViewer will help to keep your interactions organized and searchable. Give it a go yourself.